Then the next question, yogeśvaraiśvarya-gatir liṅga-bhaṅgas tu yoginām vedopaveda-dharmāṇām itihāsa-purāṇayoḥ. It says, please explain to me the opulence and the destination of the yogeśvaras. Those who have perfected yoga, what happens to them? What do they achieve by attaining perfection in yoga? And liṅga-bhaṅgas tu yoginām. How does a yogi give up his body, gross as well as subtle? Because when a person becomes perfected in yoga, then he attains liberation. And when liberation is achieved, then one becomes free from the subtle body also. So we are having subtle body along with the soul, around the soul, and then we have gross body. So gross body is given up, that is called death. And when subtle body is given up, that is called liberation, mukti. So mukti means muktir hitva anyatha rupam swarupeni vyavasthiti. To give up anyatha rup, these two subtle and gross bodies, and then you become situated in your own swarupa. Now the soul is not really situated in own swarupa because it is identifying with the subtle and gross body. Its ego in the conditioned state is in relationship with subtle body as well as the gross body. So these two things give us our identity, our sense of being an individual is coming from these two. And about our true nature we are oblivious, ignorant. So at the time of liberation, this anyatha rupa, these external coverings, they are abandoned. Then soul is in its own soul. Then it's not identifying with anything external to its own nature. So that is called liṅga-bhaṅga. Bhanga means breaking and liṅga means the subtle.